Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this. And once your content is open and visible, like it is for me, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get a little bit of a sound and also this pop-up right here. The first time around it will stay here till you interact with it, giving you just a guide on how to use it so you can capture a scrollable screenshot and send the image. Now every time afterwards, after you capture the first screenshot, it's just gonna pop up with just this and stay here for about like second to 2 seconds, and afterwards if you don't do anything with it, it just disappears. And going into the scrollable option, as you can see right here, I'm going to capture another screenshot just for this, even though I could utilize this one, but it's going to override it. So I just kind of want to do another one. There we go. So scrollable screenshot allows you to capture a long version of a screenshot. By default, once you start the scrollable screenshot, it automatically starts scrolling down. So from the point that you started the screenshot to however far down the phone scrolls, which at this point is to wallpaper, if I would select done, that's basically how it's going to capture it, assuming you stopped it at some point. Obviously, it will keep scrolling down. If there is, for instance, like Instagram, it's just going to continuously scroll down till, well, I don't know, till it runs out of memory or something. I have no clue, honestly. Never tried to see how far it can go. But going into this a little bit further, as you've seen, you can stop it from scrolling down by just tapping on the screen, but you can also scroll it down yourself to be more precise. So you can go however far down you want, and then all you need to do is select done. It will process it. The first time around, it wants access to the editor and also to storage. Use this folder, sure, allow. And there we go, and it's now saved. So once you granted those two things, you can now find your image, the scrollable screenshot, in your gallery application. So as you can see, we have two screenshots. We have the long one and we have the normal one. And additionally, you can also find it a little bit easier in the albums. It will create an album called Screenshots, as you can see. And in here you again find those two same screenshots. So that is how you could capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.